makeup, I've already moisturized my face with some moisturizer, and for that I have used my Cetaphil moisturizer like I used in the last video. Next I'm going to use this Color Bar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. ये भी मैंने last video में use किया था. This is mostly one of my favorite go-to combinations after the moisturizer. It just gives a nice dewiness to your face and gives like a nice healthy glow from within types of look. तो स्किन तो उतना दिखता नहीं है when you wear a mask, but it's very very important whenever you remove your mask for either eating or either doing some stuff here and there. It's very important that your skin looks even and nice at the same time. With the eyes and then we'll move on to the face. आई shadow वगैरह तो कुछ ज़्यादा करने नहीं वाली हूँ मैं, but I'm just going to do a very nice bold wing eyeliner because when you're wearing a mask तो आपकी eyes पे ज़्यादा concentration होता है. So whenever I am wearing a mask, I make sure that I do either a lot of mascara or a very nice heavy bold wing eyeliner. So that's what I'm going to be sharing it with you guys, and that is my signature wing eyeliner look that I'm going to eyeliner. I'm going to be using my Holy Grail eyeliner. This is something that I use on my brides as well. This is the Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes eyeliner. This is how it looks like. अगर आप इसको घिसोगे भी, पानी भी डालोगे, this liner is going nowhere. It stays until and unless you use a proper removal. तो भी कभी कभी there are chances of not coming out, मतलब ये liner निकलती नहीं है. So I'm just going to do like a very simple wing eyeliner that I do. Wing eyeliner मैं बोलूँगी नहीं because I like to concentrate when I do my liner. So you'll just watch and learn. Okay, so as you can see, my liner is done. It's nice and pointy. I've kept it like nice pointy liner. So now I'm going to move forward with my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is again one of my favorites mascara. It's transfer proof, waterproof, and it gives volume to your lashes. You can make a difference like idhar dekho aur idhar dekho. How much of a difference does it make? And I really like personally मेरे खुद के ऊपर I don't like using false lashes. So I just make sure that I put a very nice heavy coat of mascara all over my eyelashes. Now for my eyebrows, I'm going to do nothing except of brushing them with a spoolie because my eyebrows are really quite dark and thick. तो मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा करना नहीं पड़ता and I really don't like doing anything to my eyebrows. I just hate when people like apply products on my eyebrows whenever I do modeling. कभी भी तो मुझे पसंद नहीं. I'm just gonna brush them, shape them nicely, and then we are done with this portion. Okay, so for my face, I'm going to start with my Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This is a go-to primer. I have been using this ever since I've started doing makeup. अगर आपने मेरे पहले के videos भी देखे होंगे तो उसमें ये makeup था. It's a silicone based primer, so it helps them to fill my pores and it gives like a very nice blank canvas to my face. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm only going to concentrate this on my T-zone and around my mouth and a little bit over here where I have active acne spots. तो वो क्या करेगा, खाली जो uneven texture जो मेरे skin पे है उसको blur out करने. Okay, so once the primer is done, I'm going to be using my favorite go-to concealers. One is the Dior Skin Forever Undercover Concealer, which is this one, and this is the Color Bar Flawless Full Cover Concealer. These are like my go-to swear by concealers. अगर फाउंडेशन नहीं रहेगा तो मैं ये दो कंसीलर से अपना पूरा फेस कर सकती हूँ. तो जो डियोर का कलर है वो थोड़ा सा डार्क है, सो जो भी एक्टिव एक्ने है एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ डार्कनेस हियर एंड देयर जो है उसको कवर करने के लिए. एंड देन लेटर ऑन आई एम गोना टॉप इट विद फुल कवर कंसीलर बाय कलर बार. आई हेट यूजिंग फाउंडेशंस बिकॉज फाउंडेशन जस्ट टेंड्स टू मेक माई बेस वेरी केकी और मुझे मतलब मेरे स्किन को कभी कभी फाउंडेशन सूट नहीं करता. अगर कोई हुआ फाउंडेशन के चलो हो गया सूट तो भाई उसके लक है, वरना नहीं होता मेरे को सूट. तो आई एम जस्ट गोना पुट दिस डार्कर शेड wherever I feel I need a little bit of high coverage, and then with the same brush like a concealer brush I'm just going to blend in. I'm going to keep my base very 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 subtle, more like skin, तो मैं ज़्यादा कुछ करने भी नहीं वाली हूँ। और जो कंसीलर जो इसके बाद भी जो कलबा का है वो भी मैं बहुत सिर्फ थोड़ा सा हल्का सा कवरेज के लिए मैं लगाने वाली हूँ, नथिंग एल्स। सो एज यू guys कैन सी यहाँ जो है मैंने बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट लगाए बिकॉज द मास्क, अपना जो मास्क होता है, सपोजिंग दिस इज द मास्क, सपोजिंग नहीं ये मास्क ही होता है, तो ये मास्क हमारा यहाँ बैठने वाला है, तो जो भी ये जो एरिया होता है वहाँ बहुत कम प्रोडक्ट होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज आप कितना भी कर लो, कितना भी ट्रांसफर प्रूफ प्रोडक्ट्स लगा लो, देयर आर चांसेस, 80% ऑफ द चांसेस दैट योर प्रोडक्ट इज गोइंग टू come on and transfer it on the mask. तो मैं बहुत कम लगाती हूँ। I'm gonna set my face using the K Beauty highlighting है HD setting loose powder in the shade banana. ये भी मैं बहुत कम लेने वाली हूँ, एक डैब जितना आया, पैड all over my face. So for blush I'm going to be using this PAC powder blusher in the shade number 5. This is my favorite blush. It's a very nice subtle peachy pink color. So I'm taking a little bit, tapping the excess, and I'm just gonna put this all over my blush area, which is my apples. For highlighter I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade 100 I believe, या फिर gold जैसा है shade, वही है. So I'm just taking a dense brush, taking highlighter, and I'm just putting it wherever I need my highlight. Highlighting और blush एक ऐसी टेक्निक है जो आपके पूरे फेस को अलग ही कर देती है. Okay, so for lipstick I'm going to be using this Huda Beauty liquid matte lip shade in the shade Trend Setter. It's a very nice muted brown. तो मैं वही लगा रही हूँ, a little bit like that, and with my ring finger. And it है ना, very important step for all this mehnat that you have done is to use a Fix Plus or any setting spray of your choice. So I'm using my MAC Fix Plus and taking a shower in it, literally you can see. One more step that I like to do after putting Fix Plus is I like to take my beauty sponge and जो अच्छा साइड रहता है उससे खाली पैट करना. It's because it just helps your product to set into your face and it gives more lasting power to your makeup, और मेल्ट होने के चांसेस तो बहुत कम हो जाते हैं. So this is the last step that I do. It for this video, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as you saw in the last clip, the mask was tested and this is actually a transfer proof and a waterproof makeup. So I really hope you guys enjoy watching and learned something from this video, and if you did, you know what to do. You have to like the video, share, and also subscribe to my channel, and also leave me in the comment section like which videos would you like me to do next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week in my next video. Bye everyone.